Here, today we are discussing about a concept of creation of array. So last session we had seen the declaration of array. So how we are declaring a reference int braces space a, if you are calling a is a variable which having a single dimensional of array of integer data type. Okay, so the same time now creation, how it will be we will see here. So creation in the sense, first if we need to declare, initially must and should you need to declare a variable. So integer of braces of a, what it is in the a is a variable of single dimensional array of integer data type. So this is the data type and this is the dimensional and this is a variable name. So here you don't need to give any size. So declaration part, just remember that we won't give any value or size in declaration mode. We won't give any size. But after creation, we declared a variable. Now we need to create a variable, like create array. So creation is a is equal to new integer of 3, array of 3. So here in the sense, new we are using, it is an object. It stored in a heap memory, it is an object. So a variable, already we declared a is a single dimensional of integer data type. Here a new it is created integer of 3. So what it is there, with declaring time we don't need to give the size, but when creation time must and should you need to give the size. See, declaration size at the time of creation must and should be you need to do. So if you are doing this, it will be. So you had a confusion that why we need to declare, why we need to create. We can do at a time. Yes, we can do this the same as well. Integer of array single dimensional a. It's a meaning that a integer variable name. A is a single dimensional of integer. It is creating new by keyword new is a object by using, if you are using new, it's a object. It is a object integer of 3. So it is a size. So how much dimensional integer you are creating? 0, 1, 2. It is a integer size is 3. So you had declared and you had created. It is single line. Okay. You had a doubt like if we can give 0 as well. So what it will create? 0 in the sense. So if you are giving, it will compile and run. You don't create any array, but it will compile and run. But if you are giving negative value, it will compile but it won't run. It will throw an error. It will throw an error. So what is that error? How it will be? We will see basically. See, here we all know we had given a class and main method we had given, and here integer array of a is equal to new int of 3. So okay, from here it is okay. If we are running this code, it had executed, no issues. The same thing, if you are running this, it will execute. But if you see, if I will give any negative value, it will run. What do you think? What error it will throw? The thing I hadn't saved, sorry. See, here error had been thrown. So what it is the error? It's a negative array size exception. Exemption in thread java.language negative array size exemption at the test practice main this class name. So the thing is that when we are executing time, if you are giving negative value, it will throw an error. When you are giving 0, it will compile and it will run. If you are giving the positive value, it will compile and run and it will create one array and it will store the size. It will create the size as per the size you defined. It will create, and whatever the values you are giving, it will go to the push and pop method, like index value 0 to whatever the last size. Hope you understand this video. Next session we will see the initializing part. We had completed declaration and creation. Next, initialization and retrieve. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share, subscribe to my channel.